Hello, everyone. My name is Shonda Banks. Um, I will be doing my field placement at a domestic violence shelter here in Las Vegas. Um, this shelter is not only a shelter, but it offers a variety of different resources to the victims of domestic violence as well as the abusers. Um, what I'm hoping to get out of both field, well, to get out of field placement would be just more hands-on with doing or assisting with group and individual therapy. At my last field placement, I didn't have as much um, experience with that. Um, to get out of the seminar, it's just basically more so just a reinforcer. Ask questions if I feel like I'm need more, you know, help or knowledge in certain areas that maybe I'm struggling with or issues that I might not be able to handle. I feel that seminar it would be a place to, to voice my strength as well as my weaknesses. Um, So how do I expect field experience will be different from my generalist placement? My generalist placement was at a women's and children's homeless shelter, two different agencies. At my first generalist field placement, I did more of assisting the clients with resources, far as helping them to become more self-sufficient and independent, as far as like helping them with unemployment resources, resumes, and um, as well as housing issues and different resources like that to help them to become more self-sufficient. Um, with my current um, field placement, this place not only, help with those type of resources, but they also offer group and individual therapy, not only to the victims, but as well as the abusers as well. Um, they also are with partnership with our police department here and offer different with partnership with them and help them in certain situations involving domestic violence. So I'm really excited about this part of field placement, and I wish everybody luck. Bye bye. Thank you.